The lanes is something that we felt needs to embody a new interpretation or a renewal of the village concept.
We're not trying to create an architecture that's very determined. It's an adaptive architecture where I think people, like in a village, will find their own way of enjoying it.
Having this very interesting retail precinct actually works in conjunction with the towers and creates an ecosystem for that part of the city.
So we see that there was a great potential on this site to have this new density, this mid-rise typology. And we see that could be a new urban pattern for living.